Don't
but
try to turn. That's when you fall.
At the same time.
Yeah.
Oh
So
God,
just
he's
go
got
straight.
steam. He's got steam.
But try it.
Fall, Zach, fall.
I'm not even miking up.
Camera guy.
All right,
Camera guy's on the spot.
I've been slacking. Here, just show them that real quick. I've been working on 3-wheelers and stuff. Nothing interesting, so I haven't been posting. But I got the. Yo, excuse me. We got a new build, starting off the year right. Fiesta ST. I got a haircut. Don't look at it too close. I picked this up the other day, the 2860, which is a pretty good turbo, pretty decent size for a little Fiesta. And yeah, I'm gonna try to make around 350 horsepower. So this is just a quick little update for the new year and what are my plans. So obviously first plan is this, and I got a lot of WRX content coming because I really like that car. But today, also Evo content coming. But today, I got the cheapest Fiesta exhaust eBay had to offer. But I didn't buy it on eBay. I bought it used like new. So I got it for $150. And it's got like this one big, yeah, it's got this one big resonator muffler system. I don't even know what to call it. It's basically just a resonator. And that's it, it's just straight piped after that. We're gonna throw this on and just see what it sounds like. I'm gonna use the stock catback when I go big turbo. But I just wanna throw this on and have some fun with it before I go big turbo.
It's all about
Loosening. Oh! I think I lost a nut also.
this?
There's one more I'm missing. Oh God, it's lowered in the front. Don't lower your car, viewers.
Just so all the viewers know, he said 20 minutes tops.
All right, viewers, right now I'm disconnecting it from the cat. Ow, I bonked my head. Come on, viewers.
There we go. Yeah. That's what the viewers want to
That's
see.
one. That's one, viewers.
He's getting it, viewers. Remember, this is what he does for you guys. Pump these videos.
That's number 2, viewers.
See, he does it all for you guys.
Uh-huh.
Not his enjoyment. He hates doing this. What the heck is
Come on. There it goes. I had the cat back off not too long ago, viewers, so everything should slide right off.
No. That's for you viewers right there. For sale. Hit them up. $100.
No, not for sale. That's my only stock cat back.
Come on, use that brute strength. What did your dad always say?
Get yourself some Wonka chocolate.
Oh,
There it goes. What does he always say?
Hercules, Hercules. Whoa, he doesn't always.
Get out of there.
See, I told you, $100. You can walk away with it today.
No, not for sale. I need that.
You're gonna have to put the photo in. Ow! Oh, did you just hit your head on the bumper?
No, it just touched against my skin and the garage floor is cold. If any heated garage floor companies want to sponsor me.
Throw that jack out of the way.
What? That's gonna be my savior if these jack stands fail. If it's in shot, okay. All right, so I got the muffler section, but it's not a muffler section. It's the rear.
He got the pipe in there.
Got the rear pipe in.
He just wants pipes like the Stag.
This thing's huge. It might be bigger than 3-inch. But now I need to get the section that goes to the front. Probably do the downpipe one first, work my way back, and then we'll put the tips on last. I'm intrigued.
I thought it was used like new.
Yeah, but it's from eBay.
No, it's used like new exhaust.
Well, it's used like new. The guy got it from eBay, and I bought it from him. He's actually my friend. But he didn't know who he was talking to me. So then we met up, and then he was like, "It's you?" I was like, "Yeah."
And the S2000 doors open, so the battery's gonna be dead.
That guys, S2000's for sale. Anyone interested? 20. Anyone interested? 27,000. YouTube special discount. I'm asking 28, but if you know me from my YouTube, you get it for 27. Oh, I forgot to switch out this bushing. I gotta come back out, viewers. These.
It's a little old.
So, I'm swapping out these hangers that it came with, these black ones, because they are such a pain to get on and off. And I know I'm gonna take the exhaust off soon. So, I'm just putting the stock hangers on, which come off very easily.
If you live in the area and you see an exhaust on the ground, most likely is from his Fiesta, from rattling off.
In the middle of the road?
Yeah. And then you could get his stock cat back for $100 and get his used like new one for free.
All right, viewers, he's wanting to talk because he actually had his exhaust fall off. He installed that. I did not. Oh, you did?
The viewers love this view of your flannel.
Viewers, Wrangler flannel from Walmart. It keeps me warm all winter long.
Looking at the clock, we have exceeded the 20-minute time frame.
What? How long has it been?
I don't know, at least
Feels
21.
like 15 minutes. All right, viewers, I just got to put this little S tube in. All right, before I do this, let me measure it real quick. So this is at the bend. Oh, it's 3 inch, okay. It's 3 inch at the bend out, but you can see right here it concaves in a little bit. But, I mean, you don't even need to upgrade the exhaust for power. I'm hooked. Flannel's hooked. The fitment is actually really good. Surprisingly. Now, it's probably gonna bang when I hit bumps. Right there, where's it hitting? It's hitting up there.
It's hitting right here.
I just need to shove this back more. There it goes.
Oh yeah, you're good now.
Yeah. It might not even bang. If it doesn't bang, I'm surprised, but it might because I use these other bushings, which they have a lot of free play. But like I said, it's gonna come off soon, so it doesn't matter to me.
Banging, banging.
I wonder why. One more clip and then we're at exhaust tips. Ooh, the brace is running into the exhaust. Yeah, I'm not gonna put that on. That might cause some bad vibrations. Now for the tips.
All right, he's putting just the tip in now. Yeah, that looks good right there.
It actually does, yeah. Now, if I like this exhaust, which I probably won't, because I'm an old man when it comes to mods and stuff. So, I probably won't like the exhaust, but if I do, I'll run this with the big turbo. So they just welded the nut on this side, and they just weld like a cylinder right there that the bolt just goes through, and that's their eBay method. But I mean, for the price, I don't see anything wrong with this exhaust so far. I'm just curious on how the sound's gonna be. All right, that's it.
All right, drop this
Get
sucker.
the jack stands. I'm not even gonna test it for leaks.
I hear a whistle.
Yeah, you hear the turbo a little bit.
It's not as loud as I thought it'd be.
While we wait for the car to warm up so I can rev it a little bit, got an unboxing. P.O. box down below. No, I'm just joking. Some parts. So right here are the injectors. They're 30% over the stock Fiesta injectors. So this is the injectors I'm going with. And coming in the mail, I have a high pressure fuel pump to upgrade that too, because anywhere above like 280 wheel horsepower on the Fiestas, you gotta upgrade the fuel system. So I'm going high pressure fuel pump and injectors. Another option is the 4-port, which I had on my original car and my gray car. But yeah, this time I'm just going high pressure fuel pump and injectors. That's basically it for mods. I'm not doing a whole bunch of stuff. I'm keeping the stock air box with just a drop-in filter, and then just a catless downpipe. And that's basically it for mods. Maybe the exhaust. It should be warmed up now.
He likes his viewers.
I don't know about that. That was a little loud. We'll have to see how it is when we drive. We'll get a little in-cabin clip when we're going home. It's not that bad, actually. I was expecting it to be really loud, really drony, and it's just drony in the downshifts. Like, let's see. Like right there, kind of. But, yeah, just cruising, you don't really notice it too much. And when I go catless, it might make it a decent bit louder, but we'll see. As of right now, I'm actually kind of liking this exhaust. That's surprising for like the cheapest one on eBay. All right, here we go. Whoa, I think I picked up 10 horsepower. Like next week when all my parts come in, this car's gonna be big turbo, and it's gonna have the fuel system in it, and it's not gonna be making any more power because I'm doing what's it called? E-tuning. So you gotta go back and forth. It takes quite a bit of time. But the car will at least be big turbo, and I have a video out on that. And yeah, this is gonna be the first build of 2024. And next one's hopefully something to K-swap. You can end it now.
Yeah, all my shit be fuego, you can call it yellow trace. Ay, syrup, yellow fago, yeah, this cock candy. We been rolling in the woods with some real bad. We been chillin' on the beach, we been posting, yeah, bitch, I'm looking wavy.